text or string related functions we will discuss in this session. Um, See, there will be many functions as what we have discussed under numeric functions with an examples about ABS function, mod function, round function, greatest function, seal, floor, and as well. Uh, Now we are going to be discuss about character or text function or text or string functions. So in that first one is we have upper. The purpose of using upper function is to convert the string or column values into uppercase. Whatever may be the case we have, that will be converted into uppercase or sorry, whether it is there in uppercase or lowercase also fine, it is going to be converted into uppercase. See, it will it is used to convert a string or column values where we have a string into uppercase. Whether we have taken the string in uppercase or if we didn't take the string in uppercase, if we have in lowercase also, that is going to be converted into uppercase. If the taken string, if it is there in uppercase or lowercase, still it is going to be converted into uppercase. Now in a similar way we have lower function which is used to convert into lowercase, to convert string or column values into lowercase, a string or column values into lowercase. So first we will see the example of this. Select star from student. See, in the student name, first letter is capital letter, remaining all we have as lowercase letters. In the student name, first letter we have as capital letter, remaining all letters will be having lowercase letters. If I am writing now like this, select upper of student name from student. See, in the student table, what we have these values in the student name column, what values we have, that everything it is going to be converted into uppercase. Now we are going to be get like this. Everything it has been converted. So if I'm okay, again, what is the data we have? See, as we discussed in the earlier class, whatever it may be, the data we are getting with the help of select statement, that will not perform any changes with the data existing in the table. Just for displaying purpose, it is going to be display for us. Just for displaying purpose, it is going to be display for us. It will not perform the changes to the data what we have in the table. It will not perform the changes to the data what we have in a table. Now, if you see, uh, now everything the student names has been converted into uppercase. When we are accessing this, that is going to be display for us like um, as usual data what we have in the database. as usual data what we have in the database. Now select upper of student name from student. Everything it has been converted into uppercase. Now select lower of student name from student student. Everything it is going to be converted into lowercase now. So initially the first letter of each student name is in capital letter. That everything it is going to be get into the lowercase now. Everything it has been converted into lowercase. Now see, select upper of SQL online sessions. See, some part of character we have in capital letter and some part of character we have in lowercase character. సో కొన్ని లెటర్స్ వచ్చేసి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్లో ఉన్నాయి, కొన్ని లెటర్స్ వచ్చేసి స్మాల్ లెటర్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో నౌ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ అప్పర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ uppercase. Everything it is going to be converted into uppercase. The string what we have taken here, everything will be converted into uppercase. Now SQL online sessions, that everything has been converted into uppercase. So now even though if we have some letters in uppercase and some letters in lowercase, if we are using like this now with the help of lower function, everything the content has been converted into lowercase. Everything the content has been converted into lowercase. That is the purpose of using these functions. That is the purpose of using this lower and as well as upper function. Now we have length function. Length function is used to get length of the string, length of the string, or number of characters in the string. The indexing of the string is going to be start with 1. The indexing of the string is going to be start with 1. So if you see here, this S is in 1 position, Q is in 2 position, L is in 3 position, and the space also will be calculatable, that is in 4th position, and O in 5th position, N in 6th position. Like this we are going to be get. Like this we are going to be get. See, now it is going to be calculated the length of. If I am giving select length of student name from student. So we are having 35, 35, 35, 35. Why we are having 35, 35, 35? So if we see the description of the table, we have given char 35. We have given char 35. When we have given char as 35, the size of the char is fixed. It will not change its size. It will not change its size. Always the size of that will be 35 only. So how much the letters we have stored and what is the size we have stored also, it is going to be give 35 only. So there we cannot able to get the exact exact size. Now for the same thing, if you observe here, select length of location. So where we have given varchar2 is a data type. Where we have given varchar2 is a data type. So from student will be getting as how much we have stored that value 999979 like this. Depends on the size what we have there. It has given this particular value. So if we see in the student table location column, if we go Hyderabad, what is the length? 3369. Bangalore, so 9. Bangalore 9 9. Only Chennai we have 7, and again we have 9 for Bangalore. Again we have 9 for Bangalore. So like this we are going to be get. See the size what we have with this location we are getting for the student name column. We didn't get that size actually because we have the data type as char. We have the data type as char. What is the size we have given that is fixed? It will not consider till what size we have entered in it. It will not consider till what size we have entered the data in it. Okay. So next for this content we'll see what is the size. Select length of the content from student. Length of the content from student. Sorry, 19 is the size we are having here. 19 is the size we have here. That is the purpose of using length function. If any doubt is there in the length function, you can ask me. Length function, lower function, upper function. If any doubt is there, you can discuss with me. Or else, otherwise, we'll go with the next method. Next, we'll see init cap method. Init cap method. What is the purpose of using this init cap method? It makes the first letter capital letter. It makes the first letter as capital letter. That is the purpose of using this init cap. See, it returns the first letter is capital letter and remaining all will be in lowercase. Remaining all will be in lowercase. It is going to be get. See, now same content, if you observe, SQL is there in capital letter. Now when we are using this, only first letter should be make as capital letter. Only first letter it should make as capital letter. So first letter of each word has been made as capital letter, remaining all lowercase letter. First letter, whether if we have uppercase or whether if we have lowercase also fine. So first letter it is going to be make as capital letter and remaining letters it is going to be make as lowercase letters. That is the purpose of using this. See, one more example we'll take init cap. Hello, welcome to SQL learning. So everything I have written in lowercase letters. Everything I have written in lowercase letters. Now, if you see how we are going to be get this, everything now I have written in lowercase letters. So even though when I have written in lowercase letters, everything here it is going to be make as to display the first letter of the word in capital letter. See, H in capital letter, W in capital letter, 2 T capital letter, SQL S capital letter, learning this one in L in capital letter. In a similar way, select init cap. See, I'll be writing like this. Hello, welcome to SQL learning from dual from dual. So everything I have given in uppercase letters. So in that first letter, it is going to be make as first letter. It is going to be make as capital letter. Remaining all it is going to be make lowercase uh, lowercase letters. Next we have substr function. Substr function. What is the purpose of using the substr function is substring, which is used for extracting some portion of the string based on the given data. Based on the given data. So that how we can able to get, we'll see. Next we have substr. Will extract it will extract portion of the string within given string based on last two parameters. Based on last two parameters. So it is going to be converted. Some subpart it is going to be extracted. Now this is the some subpart, some string we have. This is the string we have. Select substr. In this particular string, in this particular string, from the second position, total 6 characters we need to take. From the first position, sorry, from the second position, this is the argument which is going to be represents the beginning position, and the next argument will be represents how many number of characters it need to take. How many number of characters it need to take. So from dual table. See, this is the subpart it has been extracted. This is the subpart it has been extracted. Now, if I am giving only the beginning position, if I didn't give the ending position, then it is going to be take till the end. See, only beginning position I have taken here. Only the beginning position I have taken here, and I didn't take the ending position. So, beginning it has been started from E, and it has taken till the end of the string. It has taken till the end of the string. So, like this, we'll be using this substr or any position. See, select substr. From the sixth position till the end it is going to be take. from the sixth position till end it is going to be take. So from welcome to end it has taken. See, now from sixth position, if I'm taking 5 here, it will start from sixth position and it is going to be take 5 characters on that, and it is going to be take 5 characters on that. So even it is going to be start from space w e l c space, and it is going to be take from ELC till there it has been taken. So like that we are going to use the substr for extracting some part of the string, for extracting some part of the. Now we have instr which is used for getting the position of the string, so which is used for getting the position of the substring. Instr, it always it always returns number data type, that is a position, that is a position number data type, um, that is it returns position of the delimiter, position of the delimiter, position of the character, position of the character, position of the string within given string. Whatever the string we have given, within that it is going to be accept all these things. See, now instr function will be used for getting this particular one. So I want to get the position of this particular substring in this particular one. So that is a welcome, welcome from 12. There is well is started in which position, that is going to be retrieved here. Well has been started in which position. See here H is in 1, E is in 2, L is in 3, another L in 4, 5, 6 and 7 it has been started. So because of that only we got the position as 7. And see, if this particular string is not there, if the second string what we are representing here is not present, so then what we have to do is, then what we are going to be get, -1, sorry, 0 we will be getting, 0 will be getting here. See, that is the purpose of using instr, and also we can able to search for that in the given position itself. Now this is the thing we need to search in between 0 comma, in between 0 comma 5, there also will not be getting this particular one, there also will be not getting this particular one. So we are getting 0 because this string what we are searching has been started from 7th position, and this is going to be represents like whether that particular content is there in the 0 to 5th position or not. 0 to 5th position, actually if you are giving 0 is fine, or if you are giving is 1 also fine, because it is going to be considered from position 1 only. From position 1 only, as it is not there, it is going to be give as this position. ఇందులో ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? ఏ పొజిషన్ నుంచి కావాలంటే మనకు ఆ పొజిషన్ నుంచి తీసుకోవచ్చు. So whether the string is available or not also we can take here. Next functions we have here is trim function. Select trim function. Some spaces I'll be giving here, and I'm going to be take this particular one. And again some space we have. So from 12. So whatever it may be the space we have at the beginning, whatever it may be the space we have at the ending, that space it is going to be get removed. That space it is going to be get removed. The remaining space it is going to be display for us. The remaining space it is going to be display for us. That is the purpose of using this trim function. See, in the middle of the string we have spaces. It is not going to be considered that spaces. Only the space what we have in the beginning and what the space we have at the ending will be removed. So there is no spaces in the beginning and as well as ending. So if we are giving like this, many spaces also will, will be not having that. It is going to be remove the spaces. See, if I am giving L trim, only the beginning space it is going to be get removed. I am giving only L trim, the beginning space it is going to be get removed here, but the ending space will be as it is. See, ending space if you observe, it is displaying a lot of space. It is displaying a lot of space here. See, here at the ending, if you observe here, it is not going to be display that much space. It is not going to be display that much space. Very less amount of space we have there. But whereas when we see here, if you observe, it is going to be give lot of space. ఎండింగ్ పొజిషన్లో ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకు చాలా స్పేస్ వస్తుంది. అదే ముందైతే అంత స్పేస్ అయితే రాదు. ఎండింగ్లో చూడండి ఒకసారి. సో అలా ఎందుకంటే జస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిస్ప్లే ద వాల్యూస్ ఓన్లీ బట్ వితౌట్ స్పేస్. ఇక్కడ వస్తే ఎండింగ్ స్పేస్ అలానే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిస్ప్లే ఈవెన్ దాట్. Now if I am giving r trim, when we have given the r trim here, it is going to be remove only the ending space, but the beginning space will be there as it is. Beginning space will be there as it is. Because of that only, in the starting position we have so much of space. in the starting position we have so much of space. That is the purpose of using trim function. And even the specified characters also we can able to remove from the beginning and ending. So now the string is this particular one. How we are going to be get with it? Missing right parenthesis. Yeah. So it has been removed. The space what we have in the beginning and as well, sorry, the S letter what we have at the beginning and as well as at the ending. Beginning and as well as ending lo S unnadanta it has been removed. So if we are not representing anything, only the space it is going to be get removed. If we are specifying any subpart of the string, and even it is going to be removes that subpart of the string, or the specified letter also will be considered as one string over there. That is the purpose of using trim function. Next we have lpad, rpad. So lpad in a sense, see, select lpad of abcd, abcd. I'll take calculators, comma 10 in a sense. 10 spaces we need to get some space by default, or else if I'm giving hash over there, in the 10 spaces, first 4 spaces we have abcd, and in the remaining 6 spaces will be getting hash over there. Remaining 6 spaces will be getting hash over there. Sorry, lpad in essence, first 6 character space it is going to give space, and the remaining spaces will be getting the actual string. Rpad in essence, right side will be getting the given string. Right side will be giving the given string, and from the beginning will be getting the actual characters. So these things we'll see. Lpad function, it will fills remaining spaces with specified characters. third character on the left side of the given string. Here always second parameter returns total length of the string. Total length of string. And also third parameter is optional. Third parameter is optional. In a similar way, rpad, right side it is going to be write the content. Rpad similar to lpad method, but the content or it will fills remaining spaces with the specified character on the right side of the string. On the right side of the string. So next we have a trim function which is used to get without spaces. It is used to remove left and right side spaces specified characters used to remove leading and trailing space. Leading and trailing spaces. L-trim innocence it is going to be change the beginning one. Sorry, only beginning one will be removed. So R trim innocence ending one it is going to be get remove the spaces. And we have one more function called as concat function, which is used for combining two strings. It is used to combine strings. Replace function we have. Purpose of using replace function is the second string is going to be replaced with the first one. Second string will be replaced with the first one. So that we will see. First we'll see concatenate. Concatenate of student name and location from student table. Student name is a string and location is also string. That is going to be get combined in the result. So Shweta Hyderabad, Nikhil Bangalore, Funny Bangalore, like that. See why this much of space is there? So we have the data type of the student name is char 35 character space, whether we have filled or not it is going to be occupied 35 characters. So because of that only we'll be having that spaces. So these are some text and string related functions. If you have any doubt in this you can ask me. The remaining functions we'll discuss in the next session and we'll go with the date and time functions and more. We have here replace and as well as translate that we will see in the next session. and we'll go with the date and time functions followed by aggregate functions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.